You stop that, or you're gonna get sprayed, brother.
Oh, what? Spray me?
Yeah.
Do it.
You punch and break something.
Do it.
Damage the property.
Spray me. Spray me. Do it. Come on, wise ass. Do it.
I'm not being wise. I'm just getting.
Do it. Don't talk. Do it. Come on. Blow me a kiss, sweetheart. Fairy. Come on. Spray it. Spray it.
A man who begged officers to handle him gently had moments earlier dared them to fight. The call was simple, an irate customer cursing near an airport ticket counter. What unfolded turned on a single question the footage never answers: whether loud, drunken words can ever be enough to put a person in jail.
Yo.
What? I'm leaving.
All right, well, where are you going?
I'm leaving. I'm exiting.
You're leaving the airport?
No.
All right, let's go.
Why don't you just tell me let's go? I'm leaving. You follow.
All right. You better shut your mouth.
Of what?
Because you're being loud.
Of what? I'm sorry. Of what? What's up? I'm leaving. I thank you. They don't thank you. I'm going, bro.
Go. Have a good day. You've been trespassed. If you come back,
you're going to jail.
If you come back, you're going to jail.
All right. 139. He's walking away. Red departures. He said he's going to get a ride and get out of here, but we verbally trespassed him. You can't go that way. Nobody's going to pick you up that way.
Come on. I'm leaving, bro. Leave me alone.
You can't go that way.
It's in a smoking area, bro.
All right. Well, you got to leave the property. Listen, I don't know what you're going through or anything.
Cancel my flight.
So.
I don't know. Now I got police fucking following me everywhere.
Bro, what's going on?
They ain't touch me. I don't need no sister officer. Leave me alone. That's cool. I'm by myself. I'm on the phone, bro. That's cool. Leave me alone. I'm cool. I don't need no scene, bro. Leave me alone. I'm good. I'm waiting for my ride. Thank you. Have a good day.
You can't wait for your ride here.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
I can't. There's no interstate.
No, you can't. This is not what rides come. So you better walk.
I'm smoking. It says
Okay, we're not giving you that. We're not giving you that opportunity to smoke.
No matter what you can give me, man.
You're
Leave me
going.
alone,
You're
officer.
leaving. You're leaving. You're leaving, or you're going to jail.
How do you want to tell me I'm leaving? I'm going to jail.
You have two opportunities. You have two choices: leave now or go to jail.
Where I'm gonna go? What? Tell me where to walk at. Tell me where to walk at.
Walk back.
One more
Walk
chance.
back. Step back.
One more
Step back.
chance.
Step back. You're gonna get caught right now.
I'm walking.
Put that cigarette out right now. I don't care. I don't care. Put it out. Put it out.
Don't touch me. I ain't doing nothing.
Don't even throw.
I'm not throwing nothing. I'm putting it out like you said, bro.
Right, put it out.
So where you want me to go?
Put it out. And
Where
let's
you
go.
want me to walk?
You said you're gonna see your ride, right?
I'm going for my
So
ride.
Go get your ride. Get your
God
ride right
damn,
now.
bro.
Get your ride right now. If not, you about to get.
Okay, so
you about to
I don't
get
need
arrested.
no. I don't need.
Keep walking. Whatever, man. I'm not talking.
Do what you gotta do.
Keep
Don't touch
walking.
me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You don't need to go.
I'm leaving, bro. I'm walking, bro.
All right, let's go.
Don't touch me.
Get your ride and let's go.
Don't touch me.
Get your ride and
Don't
let's go.
touch me.
Nobody's touching you.
Don't
Let's
touch
go.
me. I ain't
Let's
nothing
go.
wrong but leaving.
Let's go.
Where to? Right, left, straight, what?
Move. You're not even in the right place.
You tell me I'm walking. You told me keep walking. Where I'm walking.
I told you not to go this way in the first place. So go this way, we're going to go around this barrier and go this way.
Exactly why you got trespassed.
You don't know who I am, so it don't matter.
It does matter. You come back, you're going to jail.
Do what you gotta do.
All right.
Do what you gotta do.
Take a right. Call your ride for Blue Express.
I ain't gotta talk shit.
Yes, you do.
Get your ride over here right now. Tell them where you at.
Man, come on, man. Give me a break. I'm calling them, bro.
You're about
I'm
to be
being
in
caught. Tell me to walk.
Call them right now. Stop and call them.
Stop right now and call.
No, I got to. I'm walking, bro.
All right.
You said stop. I stop. I ain't do shit, man. What I do? I kept walking when y'all told me to do. I'm chilling, bro. What I do wrong?
You just want to be a loudmouth instead of just.
I was walking, bro.
No, you weren't. You're just
Yes,
walking
I
away
was.
instead of getting things done.
I was telling you, I walk exactly what y'all wanted me to do. What I do? What I do?
Have a seat.
Can I call my ride?
No.
Because y'all ain't give me a chance to call a ride.
Nope.
That's done.
You're going
Your
to jail
body
now.
can't record it?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Yes, it
We've
is.
given you so many opportunities.
Y'all told me to walk exactly what y'all want me to walk to. What do you want me to do?
I wanted you to stop and call your ride.
I did. I was on the phone with him.
Dude,
Why you took my phone? I ain't do shit. I ain't do nothing. Chances of what? I was leaving.
You're yelling at people, no?
Yeah, it's in my pocket.
You're yelling at everybody else.
Look, direct me to the point where I can be picked up without being harassed, bro. I ain't do nothing.
You should have figured that
I
out.
did. They ain't give me a chance, bro.
You went from the third level to the second level yelling.
I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Look at all these people. They all know what to do. You're the only one that doesn't. But yelling does not get
sit
you
down.
nowhere. Just
I don't
'cause
want to
you're-
get slammed. Can I speak? Sit down.
Yeah, sit down, buddy. Nobody's. You know, just because you're the loudest doesn't make you the right one.
Sorry, man. I just lost a family member, man. I'm just up.
Everyone has problems, but you gotta take.
I just lost a family member, man. I'm up, bro. I'm up. I'm up. I just want to go home and take care of my.
You're not going home right now, buddy. But you gotta figure it out when you get over there.
Yo, where?
You're under arrest
For what?
for disorder.
I didn't do nothing.
Yelling the way you are. Come on.
We're
That's
gonna
not
go over this step by step.
That's
We
fine.
tried talking to you. What did you
I
do?
was walking. I was
What
complying
did
with
you do?
y'all.
No, you were not complying.
So you tell
You
me
were
I ain't
walking
wrong?
away from us, and we said, okay, we gave you the benefit of the doubt. You said you're gonna get a ride. You walked. You
You
didn't
ain't
know
give me a
what
chance
you
to call a ride, bro.
No. You kept walking. You kept walking away from us. All right, we walking away. And then what happened after that? Where'd you walk? We kept saying,
I
we
walked
told you-
directly with y'all.
we
Told me to
told
walk
you-
to.
no,
Said make a
no.
right. I made a right.
No.
Said make a left. I made a left.
Everybody said right. We said
And I did. I was on my headset.
Us out the entire time while we told you to make.
And I
You
did.
called both of us crackers. Fucking crackers. That's what you said, right? Those were the words out of your mouth. We weren't being disrespectful. You were the whole time. All we wanted to do was find out what was going on. You told him to get the away from me. I don't gotta tell you nothing.
Can I please make a
You
phone call?
causing a scene. No, remember that's done. That is done.
Yeah, you get down there and booking, and you can make all the calls you want. But they give you. Listen, we saw you on camera. You went from the third floor to the second floor to this. That's not something that somebody's trying to.
Y'all mess, man. I don't want my granny to die, man. You trespass me, I'll go, man. I got to ride right around the corner. Man, how y'all gonna tell me to leave? How the hell y'all tell me to leave and y'all ain't giving y'all directing me where to go and I ain't leave.
I told you to stop multiple times and call a ride. So that it's.
I
it's
did.
done.
I was on
It's
the
done.
phone with him. My headset.
All right, we're not
You
gonna
see
go
my
back and forth.
headset?
All right.
Come on, man. I was mad. I was complying, bro. I was complying with y'all.
Yeah, try to just take one car off.
I was complying with y'all, man.
This is the phone?
Yes, sir. It is my phone.
Yeah, he was getting out.
I'm not resisting. So is your body camera recording, sir?
Yep, everything's being recorded.
Everybody's body cameras recorded.
I'm not resisting. I'm complying with y'all. I get it, man. We all go through shit, man. I just went through some up shit just now. Where's my? Hey, what about my backpack?
We'll grab it. We'll grab it.
I got. If you lift my knee, I'll show you proof. I got a fucked up knee, and I got a bad back, and I got a bad shoulder bang. Just sit me down, easy. Don't. Please
You
don't.
can sit down yourself.
I'm gonna try my best to get these in your bag for you, and we're gonna see if we can get the bag going with you to jail. That way you have everything in one place.
Yeah, because he's
Yeah. Disorderly intox, trespass every morning.
Okay.
I just gotta snap a picture of it for you. Look my way, man. Really, man? Don't make this harder. Come on.
Man, y'all
You're already going to
me,
jail.
Man. For what? I ain't doing nothing.
All right.
I literally ain't doing nothing.
Look my way. You're making this so much harder, dude. The faster we get you out of here, the faster we can get this done.
Hey boss, I got your bag and your phone. It's just going in the back with you.
Which jail you taking me, Falkenberg or Orient?
Orient.
What's my charge?
You can see it on your CRA when you get it.
Well, what y'all charge me with?
I'm not charging you.
Do you think I'm the arresting officer?
What y'all taking me for? Y'all not.
Disorderly conduct or trespassing after warning. It's one of the two, or maybe both.
How can y'all try to say trespass after warning when I was walking away?
Was I there on scene, buddy?
I don't know, but I ain't doing nothing wrong.
Okay, well you can look at your PC affidavit and then tell me later.
Man, f you, man. How the hell I'm supposed to? How the f I'm supposed to know when I ain't do nothing when I was walking away off the property? I was saying drunk. How the hell y'all know I'm drunk?
You can smell yourself.
It don't matter what I smell like. It could be my cologne, dude. I mean, I'm drunk.
Yeah, you're pretty drunk.
Man, dude, you drunk. You sound like you drunk as hell.
Okay.
Dude, y'all arrested me for no reason when I was leaving. Allegedly, if a person is drunk, what is the charge?
You'll probably fall under the disorderly.
I ain't disordering nobody, man. I just want to leave. I was literally walking off, going turn by turn when y'all telling me to go at, man. How the hell y'all lock me up when y'all tell me to turn by turn, man? How the hell that's turn? How the hell that's warning? Come on, man. That ain't warning when y'all telling me to turn by turn, man. Y'all know that's some bull.
You stop that, or you're gonna get sprayed, brother.
Oh, what? Spray me?
Yeah.
Do it.
You punch and break some damage.
Do it.
Damage the property.
Spray me. Spray me. Do it. Come on, wise ass. Do it.
I'm not being wise. I'm just getting.
Do it. Don't talk. Do it. Come on. Blow me a kiss, sweetheart. Fairy. Come on. Spray it. Spray it. I'm disappointing you, man. You said you was gonna spray me, but you didn't. What's the matter? Mommy ain't teach you no discipline and show you discipline other people? Mommy ain't teach you right? Mommy ain't teach you right, man? Mommy ain't teach you right? Come on, man. Spray it. Do what you gotta do. Come on, white cue ball. Do what you gotta do. Spray it. A double dog day. Which one of y'all's a good fighter, huh? Hey, which one of y'all's a good fighter? Which one of y'all can fight? Huh? Hey, the way I'm feeling right now, I don't mind a one-on-one. Huh? Which one's gonna be it? What, guys, wives ain't making love to you? Got problems with your sergeant, lieutenant, somebody? Come on, man. Take it out on me. Huh? I'll fight back, I promise. Oh, why it's so serious, man? You take your glasses off, man.
What?
You a fighter too? You like to fight?
Are you threatening me?
I ain't threatening you. I just asked you a question.
At the jail?
I was asking you, do you like to fight?
No, I'm asking you, are you going to cause issues at the jail?
What?
Huh?
What'd you say?
You clearly been to this jail before, so you're going to cause issues?
Or what?
No, I'm asking you.
I mean, depending on you. What you gonna do?
Okay. Well, they can deal with it then.
What's the deal?
You've been more than difficult this whole time, so...
Difficult what? I comply with you. With your every fucking demands.
Okay.
Come on, ain't my... what, you on your fucking period? Your or something, man?
I'm on my menstrual cycle, you got it.
Yeah. What, mommy raised you that way? She'd be a punk? Huh? Yeah, I see you.
I mean, you think you're all tough, but...
Nah, ain't no tough. I'll tell you what. How about you take this cuff off? I'll tell you what. Take your badge and your gun off. Take these cuffs off. Let's see how you find out how really tough I am. Matter of fact, I'll take both of you on at the same time.
Okay.
No threat.
Good for you.
Ain't no good for me.
You must be like a tough guy.
I'm a tough guy, right? Come on. Show me that I'm... Show me. Show me that I'm... Come on, man. Come on, you scared of a motherfucker like me?
But you were the one crying.
I'm crying? For what? For you? Come on, crying for what? Get the fuck out. Come on, man. Get the fuck out of here. So I know cops, they actually took their badge and gun off. California. Those some real tough cops there. They actually fought me one-on-one. No charges, no nothing. Come on, what you got, man? You gonna give me that? You gonna give me that straight up fame? Huh? You gonna take a gun and badge off? You gonna take these cuffs off me? You can get my square up? Fuck it.
Your incident is...
Hey, I shine your head for a nickel, cue ball. Look, man, I got a gun. I got a wall. I'm gonna give you a heads up. I got a cuff shoulder and I got a gunshot wound to my left knee. So be easy with me, all right? These cuffs are tight right here on my right wrist. Easy. Easy with me. Easy with me. I'm gonna comply with you. Don't plan me. Don't do none of that shit. This is gonna be one of these assholes.
Well, you're not starting off the right way with that.
In Florida, being drunk in public is not a crime. The statute behind this arrest, Florida Statute section 856.11, demands two things at once: intoxication and a genuine public disturbance or a real danger to safety. One without the other collapses the charge entirely. The Florida Supreme Court drew that line hard in State versus Holden. The law reaches only situations where the public is actually endangered. And in Cross versus State, the same court confronted a charge built on protected speech. A citizen does not surrender the First Amendment simply by being intoxicated. Offensive words, even drunken ones, generally cannot carry a conviction by themselves. The narrow exception is fighting words, and that exception is where this case shifts. When a person is upset with police, the safest response lives in the space between anger and invitation. Loud complaints and even profanity often stay inside protected speech. But daring officers to spray you or challenging them to a fight steps outside that shield. The principle is simple: express the grievance, never issue the challenge. When officers give conflicting directions, walk here, no, stop there, that confusion has legal weight. A trespass or disorderly charge requires willful, knowing defiance of a clear order. Contradictory commands undercut the claim that anyone willfully refused to comply. Stating calmly that you are trying to follow instructions preserves that record. When an encounter feels unlawful, the remedy is the courtroom, not the curb. Every taunt and every fight challenge hands the state facts beyond mere words. The strongest legal position is often the quietest one. Comply, then contest later. Grief and intoxication explain a great deal, but they rewrite very little in law. The charge here was disorderly intoxication, and its survival was never guaranteed. The line between protected speech and a crime is thinner than most people imagine. And it is usually the person who crosses it who decides where it falls.